Hey guys, it's me, Ava Winters, their #HoloMissP, and today I am back with you guys with another video. So guys, I am currently on my computer. I am so happy I figured out how to talk in it because the webcam on my computer was not connected or something. So me, the smart one, I like figured out how to put the cord into anyway, let's just skip that part because I don't know how to call this stuff, what to call this stuff. So like I'm not a really good computer person, I think, and those whatever the cord, the hands, yeah. Um yeah, that I'm I'm just so yeah. But anyway guys, so let's just get into the video because I haven't even explained what the video yet is. So yeah. So guys, the video is I will be showing you guys the clothes from the new theme. I'm sorry, I haven't like done any you know um any like new theme or new clothes, like anything like that um to do with like new theme stuff. So guys, I will be showing you guys. Why do I keep on saying guys? Okay. Yeah. Um Anyway, let's just start the video. So guys, so people, why is like my voice sounding like so weird? I'm just like, so people. But yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna stick with guys because like guys is just like my thing. I always say it, so like, yeah. So guys, see. So, these are like the clothes. Now I'm saying just get it together, Ava. So peeps, this is the new theme. I'm like, this is the new theme. This is the new theme. So guys, this is the new theme and it's called Friends Forever. And yeah, I don't really like friend like themes. Like I personally I think they're pretty like childish, I guess. Some of the stuff, like, don't get me wrong, some of like these clothes are like cool and like teenagey, I guess, from my opinion. And but some of like these clothes, like for example, like this, I get that can be like teeny, but like me like yeah, I get if you change it in a different color, but like how they put it in like neon, I guess it's like kind of like they make it like childish. And I guess some of these clothes are like really basically childish. And um, I personally think this theme is more childish, and that's why it's not really my favorite because it is really childish and I'm not used to like really big. I don't really like outfits that are like really neon-y and like I'm not used to those stuff, like kind of stuff like neon-y and like look, I like the color like teal, okay? I like the color teal and rose gold. Yeah, rose gold is like, yeah, queen. But like when it comes to outfits, I like this. Oh, this color is like pretty. I'm getting this color. Like, but when it comes to like, you know, when it comes to these like, wait, yeah, when it comes to clothing, why am I talking in like a British accent? Okay, yeah, just yeah. Yeah, when it comes to like these types of clothing, I don't really like use those like colors because it just looks ugly and you really just do not want to do that because your clothing's like it just looks horrible. So, but like if you guys like in that's just like in my opinion. Like if you guys like those colors, like go ahead. Like I don't want to stop you guys from like what you like. So like go ahead. But in my opinion, before we start looking at like all these clothes, because I already like looked at all of them, I don't know what's wrong with my voice. Um yeah. I don't know like what's wrong with my voice, but yeah, I hate my voice on camera. Like I sound so weird. Like my like I have an American accent, right? Because I'm from America. I try like make when I talk on camera, like I do not like my accent. Like I feel like that's like a little weird. Like my voice is like really okay when I listen to it in my head. Like it sounds like so good. Like it sounds like my age and it doesn't sound like I'm like you know? Yeah, like it like I don't sound like I'm like I don't know like an 8-year-old or like anything like that like like because I am a teenager, yeah, I am a teenager, and I don't want to sound like I'm 8 like sometimes I do act like I'm 8 and stuff, like not 8 maybe but like 9, even though that's like a year up, like wow, such an opinion. Even I don't know. Okay. But yes, I am a teenager. Maybe not like, over like 16 or like 15 or anything. 16, 17, anything like that. But like, yeah. Um, so yes, I am a teenager and I sound like a 5-year old. Yeah. I like, yeah, I just do not like my little voice in camera. It's just my, but like this theme, yeah, it's just not, my favorite. It's just really childish, and I don't think MSP should, like, I don't mind this theme. Like, look at these clips, but they're just like, who's like gonna wear this? Like, if you guys are wearing it, like, sorry, like, no offense, but like, I really did not. I find this like, yeah, really childish, and yeah, I really just do not like it that much. The checkered stuff are not that bad. I personally I like this. I really like this. I think it's really cute. But I genuinely think that you cannot make an outfit out of these clothes, just like these clothes, like these jeans. Like, no way I would use them. If you guys are, congratulations. But like me, I am no way touching those. I'm actually getting myself a pair of checkered Vans. Yeah, not these ones. I think there are other ones. I think I already have a pair. Yeah, I probably do, but I'll just have a look. You know. So guys, yeah, I probably rate this theme, I'm not sure. Um, I probably rate this theme about, what should I do? I probably rate this theme a 4 out of 10 because it is just genuinely not my style and I just do not like pretty much any of the stuff in there, but just like one thing. I like the checkered stuff. Like they're really nice. Like I really like them. I'm sorry, I'm like trying to have a look for like the checkered bands. Like I do not know where they are. But yeah, genuinely I only like stick to like a few colors. I do not go too bright. I do not like dark themes and I do not like pop up neon themes because I just find those themes like really childish. But I just don't like the dark themes because it's just not my like style. Yeah, it's just not my style and yeah, it's just like not me. Like you have to make an outfit like kind of based on you. Well, that's what I do at least. But yeah, I'm touching like my hair a lot and like now there's like more hair on my hands, so that's just great. But yeah, genuinely, I guess, it's not my kind of thing and I personally did not, like this sort of stuff. So I guess I will end the video here. Um, comment down below. Ooh, comment down below what you guys want to see next. These are cute. Oh wait, no, they're not cute. Okay, no. Yeah, I changed my mind. But yeah, that's all guys. And thank you guys so much for the support, and thank you guys for getting me past. Well, getting me on 50 subscribers because I lost a subscriber. Oh, and proof that I did gift, just in case like you guys are like, oh, you didn't gift it, like honey or honeys or like whatever you guys, all of you guys. Proof that I did gift. Okay. Okay, let me just like, okay, that's better. So, proof that I did gift the drip shoes. Oh, I got 3 awards. Yes. I know I'm famous. But like that guy that wouldn't agree is not talking to me. So if he doesn't talk to me in another 12 hours, I think there's only 12 hours, yes. Left, not yes. 12 hours left. But yeah, if he doesn't tell me whatever, if he does not, yeah, if he does not, like message me on MSP what his username is, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, this is proof. Hello over here. But yeah, Roxy65 got the drits, and Lala5678 I got her 2 stuff on a wish list. Because she had 2 drips and I couldn't get that because that was so expensive. I'm gonna lose like all my star coins. Did I just lose some star coins? I just lost 100 star coins. Did I buy anything? No, I didn't buy anything. That's weird. Okay. But bye guys. Hope you guys have a good day or a good night or whatever you guys are having. Um, um, so yeah, see you guys in my next video, and I guess I rate this thing a 4 out of 10. And also guys, comment down below what other videos you guys want to see next, because I'm doing videos for you guys and for me, I guess. Yeah. So bye guys, hope you guys have a great day or night, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.